Good evening, children. Welcome to online class, 9th standard, first language English. Lesson, 5th lesson, that is Unit 5, Prose. A Question of Space by Neera Kashyap. And this is the lesson written by Neera Kashyap. And this demonstrates how self-observation leads to self-improvement and change in attitude. So Neera Kashyap, author of this lesson. Now, and she has discussed a burning contemporary issue in this lesson. Now, going through the lesson, despite maintaining a consistent rhythm, Vikrant found himself completely out of breath at the end of the 3.2-kilometer jog. His head pounded with effort and with the thoughts of the pressure his parents were mounting on him to gear up for the medical entrance test, still a year and a half away. Both successful doctors themselves, his parents were anxious that Vikrant ready himself to cope with the intensely competitive environment that had to be scaled for getting admission to a prestigious medical college. So, first para tells, Vikrant was gasping for breath. He was gasping for breath after finishing his 3.2-kilometer jogging. His head was paining due to the pressure his parents are supporting him to gear up for the medical entrance test, still a year and a half away. Still there is time. Vikrant, both parents are successful doctors, so they were anxious that Vikrant to get ready to the competitive environment by studying hard to get admission to a prestigious medical college. Now next para, class 11 had started with his mother's constant harping on the importance of the year for getting a good grip on science and maths, for viewing this as a foundation year for class 12, and for using this as a practice year for launching into the 12th board and medical entrance exams. His father quizzed him constantly on math, physics, biology, till his head spun. The conflicts had acquired a distinct edge ever since he had met Anuj, who had spun into his life like a new universe, right here on this jogging track. So Anuj was a new friend of Vikrant. He was not just a person with dynamic ideas on photography, on the connectedness between human beings and all other living species, on self-improvement. That is, he had part of human evolution. So he had turned into a friend very quickly, a much older friend to Vikrant. While reading a book borrowed from Anuj and experimenting with the Anuj's old Kodak camera, Vikrant knew that his parents had watched his new interest with growing dismay. His class grades had dropped. He had started skipping group tuitions. Even the extra school classes designed for the weekends. And only child, as tension grew between Vikrant and his parents, so did his identity with the Anuj. Vikrant started concentrating him more on a book borrowed from Anuj and experimenting with his old Kodak camera, that is on photography. So this is a photography, and he was involved in that, that is in reading and experimenting. So what happened? Vikrant knew that his parents are watching him, and he's not only that, his class grades dropped, and he began to skip group tuition and even extra school classes for the weekends. Naturally, his parents were upset. Tension grew between Vikrant and his parents. Vikrant and his parents over his identity with the Anuj. Fifth, panting, Vikrant flopped onto a concrete bench just beyond which Anuj was exercising on the metal swing bars grouted into the earth. So Anuj also there. He was doing exercise on the metal swing bars. Nothing like a good workout under the blue sky. Much better than an air-conditioned gym, said Anuj with satisfaction. Leaping off the bars to drop onto the bald grass. Hey, what's up? You look grim. So Vikrant, Anuj found that it was good to do exercise under the blue sky than an air-conditioned gym. Suddenly, he found Vikrant was looking grim, not happy. And Vikrant shrugged, and there was silence. Then he asked, did your parents put pressure on you to become a photojournalist? So Vikrant asked Anuj whether his parents put pressure to become a photojournalist. Vikrant tried to shrug, but nodded instead. No, oh no, laughed Anuj. I started on my own with the journalism, then took up photography much later to make the stories alive visually. Then after a pause, he said, is the pressure at home bad? So he asked. That is, Anuj replied that he took it up out of his own choice, and he asked Vikrant whether he was pressurized by his parents at home. Vikrant tried to shrug but nodded instead. It seems to me that the pressure is worse for children of doctors, for us, because medicine is considered the noblest of profession and gives a prestige. But tell me, how do you react to pressure? Vikrant felt that pressure is worse for the children of doctors because medicine is considered to be the noblest of profession and gives prestige. So he asked Anuj how he reacted to such pressure from his parents. Oh, I explain, I argue, I snap, sometimes I even walk out. It is worse when I lose control. So Anuj replied that he would explain, argue, or else walk out. So that is better than losing control. Yeah, but have you noticed how your body reacts? Anuj, my body, it's not, no, not really. If you want to get control over a situation, you could start by first observing your body's reaction, your posture and body temperature, muscle contractions, breathing, the taste in your mouth. So Anuj advised him to keep observing how his body reacts when he is upset to get control over a situation. So Anuj advised him to observe his posture, body temperature, muscle contraction, breathing, and the taste that is in his mouth also. That is when he feels such a situation. That is when they get compulsion, when the parents compel them to do the things which the children don't want. Now, 14th era. How will that help? How will that help? Asked Vikrant doubtfully. It will help you witness your reactions as if they were happening to someone else. By observing your body and its reactions, you also distance yourself from them. The distance will help you first see, then control your reactions, said Anuj. So Anuj gave new ideas of self-analysis. That is, particularly the body language of the self and how to control expressions and feelings. So he advised Vikrant to distance yourself, to distance himself from those feelings and reactions. That is it will help to control his reactions. Then why not observe your body when you are feeling happy or excited or adventurous? Why only when you are under pressure, Mr. Vikrant? So Vikrant asked, why to observe only when you are angry? Why not when feeling happy? So that's what self-observation is the first step of a inner unfolding. So that is he asked why only when we are feeling bad we should observe. So 16th, sure, why not? Actually, our range of expression is quite limited. If we get familiar with our full range, we will become aware of all our habitual expressions. But the next step is to practice expressions when there are no feelings to be expressed. I know this sounds dull, but think if you can express emotions without expressing them, said Anuj. That is what he said. He advised because range of expression in a person is quite limited. And Vikrant has to practice expressions without being expressed. So he told him how to control, that is his expressions. Like how? Asked Vikrant. Okay, 18th para. Suppose you get news that you have won a free trip to US. How would you react? Ajita Anuj. That is when you're getting happy news, how will you react? The US, wow, exclaimed Vikrant, giving to his hands, body and face such an exaggerated expression of glee that both collapsed laughing. So happiness means then he felt very happy. Then on hearing that only, that is both of them exaggerated and they started laughing with the happiness and collapsed laughing. So both started laughing on hearing that. So self-observation happened on its own much sooner than Vikrant expected. At dinner that night, his father asked, Vikrant, have you found out which is the most suitable coaching center for your medical entrance test? That is, self-observation happened much sooner than Vikrant expected. That's what he could make out the difference between happiness and that grim situation. At dinner, his father asked him about the most suitable coaching center for his medical entrance test. No, said Vikrant. No, what do you mean, no? If you still have not found it, when do you intend to enroll? I don't know. I'm already full up with the tuitions bio, maths, physics, chemistry. It's tough. I cannot do tuition. Vikrant noticed that his mouth was dry, his head tight at the temples, his body slightly hunched. So While answering to his father, Vikrant found that his mouth was dry and he sat tight at the temples. His body is slightly hunched. That is, he said that already is already full with the tuition. That is, he's going for biology, he's going for maths, physics, chemistry. Oh, it's very tough. I cannot do tuition. So he said. And tuitions for medical entrances are not just tuitions. They coach you for a career, for a highly competitive exam. One wrong answer could make all the difference. It would be better if you turned your attention to investigating coaching center rather than spend the time with the junkies and the irrelevant things, finished Vikrant's father. So Vikrant's father felt that was the outcome of Vikrant's association with the Anuj. So his father felt why he's talking like that because they saw him spending time with the reading some other books with the camera and then going talking with the Anuj. So they noticed. So they felt that he was become like that because of the association with the Anuj. And he refers contemporarily to Anuj. So he said, a junkie and who distracts Vikrant with irrelevant things. So because the coaching center, that is, it coached the students for the highly competitive exam as because one wrong answer could make all the difference. So that's why the coaching centers are coaching the students perfectly. Then Vikrant noticed that his father's last remark sent a strong wave of heat through his otherwise weary body, galvanizing him to leave the room without another word. Vikrant knew these conflicts were not getting him anywhere. It was not as if felt the medicine was all wrong for him. He just did not want to be bulldozed like this. Bulldozed into working 3 shifts a day, 6 days a week, he felt he needed time to pursue his own interests and pleasures, especially after his meeting with the Anuj. Anuj spoke to him on various issues of the beginnings of life, the places he traveled to, the elements he used to compose, the photograph, and self observation. If you can express yourself without feeling, you can feel as well without expressing, he had said. So what happened? Vikrant noticed that his father's last remark sent a strong wave of heat because he told junky and the irrelevant things, no? And through his very body and made him to leave the room without another word. Vikrant now understood that he was not against the medical entrance exam, but he did not want to be bulldozed like that. That is, working 3 shifts a day and 6 days a week. And he needed some time to pursue his own interest and also pleasures, especially to meet Anuj. Anuj spoke to him on various issues, and he also speaks to him that is a hobby of photography and self-observation. And he advised to express himself without feeling that he could feel well without expressing. So I advised him to express himself without feeling and so that he can feel as well without expressing. Now, when alone, Vikrant tried to practice emotions he had not experienced. At first, these are of joy, spontaneity, excitement. When he felt more neutral, he practiced a wider range suspicion, hostility, daring, joy, scorn, with his each with his accompanying posture and gestures. So Vikrant tried to practice emotions he had not experienced. At first, the positive emotions of joy, spontaneity, and excitement. When he feels more neutral, then he practices a wide range, that is suspicion, hostility, daring, joy, scorn, each with the accompanying, that is a body language. So that was it all is going on, some changes going on in Vikrant. Then 27th Tara, his experiments with self-observation helped him see a whole range of his body reactions. The effect that the different emotions had on the body and how the mind got involved with this. But things did not seem to change with his parents, who he realized would continue treating him like a child as long as he charred and reacted. His experiments with self-observation helped him see a whole range of body language. He started watching his body language, but he did not see any change in his parents. So who continued to treat him as a child only. Then 28th, don't worry too much about the change, advised Anuj, noting Vikrant's discouragement one evening. You cannot really change anything till things are ready for change. That just do your part. So Anuj advised him not to worry too much about the change, because no one changes under the no one changes that is unless the things are ready for a change. So not to worry, it will take time for a change. And yeah, but it does not help, said Vikrant with a dejection. Anuj thought for a long while, then he spoke. If you really want to get control over a situation, there are two more steps for you to practice. The moment an active feeling comes, which you think should be controlled, make a note of it, but don't express it. So then he was telling. So Vikrant hesitated to accept. Then Anuj suggested two steps to get control over a situation. So what is that last step, asked Vikrant, almost mechanically. That is the first one, the moment an active feeling comes, it should be controlled, not to express it. The second one, a person should express an emotion opposite to what are actually feels. So what one actually feels. That is, choose to be calm or warmth. You observe your own body language and don't react immediately, but take time to respond maturely. So what is that? The last one, that is, the step involves expressing an emotion opposite what you feel and can be done only if you are agitated. You observe this, but choose to express calm or warmth instead of coldness. So that's what he said to him. That is, that whenever he gets the feeling should be controlled, not to express. Whenever he feels out of control, he is telling not to express his feeling. Next one, that is, he should think that is emotion that is opposite to that what actually feels. So he should be calm. He should not show any feeling, any change in his body language or anything. So he should observe that time his own body language, not reacting immediately if anybody is shouting at them or scolding or then suggesting anything. If he gets irritated, what he should do? He should feel quite calm, but take time to respond maturely. So what he should do? He should take time that is to respond. But as simple as that, laughed Vikrant a little hopelessly. Then Vikrant kept up his exercise to self-observation, that practicing emotions he did not feel, even attempting not to express feelings that came up hot and strong. He felt small stirrings of change. He could see things more objectively, even when he could not control his reactions. His parents are pushing less, listening more. He noticed that instead of both of them speaking in one voice at points of control or a friction, one spoke while the other refrained. This was leading to much more interaction, except on the subject of Anuj. That's what Vikrant was a little changing. He attempted not to express feelings. Vikrant started attempting not to express feelings, and he felt some change in him. And even his parents also started pushing less and listening more. Then, are you still hobnobbing with that character? What is his name? Asked his mother at breakfast one morning. His father's silence was expectant. Vikrant observed his temples tighten and his hunched shoulders straighten out in a confrontation, and his pulse become irregular. And his name is Anuj Mami. He replied, Anuj Jain. Anuj is a friend, in fact, more. He teaches. From him, I have learned many things, things that are hard to explain. So, his mother asked about Anuj at breakfast one morning, and he observed his temples tighten, his pulse became irregular, but he replied coolly. And yes, but he will not be sitting for your entrance test, will he? If you lose your grip on class 11, you will never catch up in class 12, said his mother assertively. So she committed on his study to catch up the next class, that is 12th. Yes, then as Vikrant felt his temples throb, a sudden calm entered his heart. If I am allowed space for new interest, I will also find space for what is important for a career, he said quietly. And this time it was his father who spoke. Fine, try to achieve the balance. We will be with you. So, what is father? Vikrant felt a sudden, that is, calm entered his heart. He replied quietly, if he were allowed some space for a new interest, he would find space for what is important for a career. So his father also advised him to balance the things in between to achieve his goal, and they would be with him. And last para, at the end of class 11, Vikrant enrolled for classes at a coaching center for medical entrance test. He did this with an awareness that it was the right thing for him to do. At the end of the class 11, so Vikrant enrolled for classes at a coaching center for medical entrance test. He felt it was the right thing for him to do. Thus, self-observation leads Vikrant to self-improvement. Here, the word space has no meaning with the external space, but to our mind. The meaning is that we should have a distance between ourselves and our emotions. Then only we can judge and find a solution for it. This space means the gap between oneself and our emotions, by which we could have peace of mind and clarity in our actions. So that's how Anuj, even though he was younger, then he gave good advice to whom? To Vikrant, and made him to go out of that, come out of that situation. So this Anuj played a very good role. That is to whom? To Vikrant, by giving correct advice in time. But Anuj is more mature and is in a position to guide Vikrant also. He advised him to control emotions and made him that is mature in his outlook and attitude. Hence, it would be the desire of everyone to be like a Anuj. So he didn't tell anything bad about his parents or anything. So he grown up person and he acted that is a confidence of Vikrant. Then I made him to follow what his parents advised. So children, follow this. If you don't understand, go through the lesson again and again till you understand. Thank you.